Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today with Lincoln Electric's all-new weld curtain that they just came out with here. So, as you know, weld curtain's been out for quite some time. Lincoln just launched their own brand. Comes in red or that dark green color that we're familiar with, such as our Baker's logoed ones here. And so this is just a simple kit. You can do 6x6 or 6x8. Each kit is the same. It just has an extra 2-foot piece in the center that you can add in. Casters are available for it, and everything is actually available in stock at Lincoln Electric too. So readily available, priced competitively, and so far, just looking over everything and I'm going to put it together here, show you guys how to put it together. Very heavy duty, heavy wall tubing. Seems to be very nice, pretty clear cut how to put it together too. So let's dive into it here. I got the instructions I've been reading. It's just a front and back 4-page thing. Very simple, all snaps together. And the beauty of it is if you've got multiple of these curtains, they sell connectors and you can start connecting them. So you can make a box, you can make a T, you can put 3 together in a line and then they'll all be connected so they're sturdy. We got some casters we're gonna throw on there. All right, let's dive into it here. So just looking at these pieces. So we got, these obviously go where the stand legs go, right? So we got A1, A2. I'm gonna make it an 8-foot curtain. So 6x8, so it's gonna be 6 tall and 8 wide. Everything just snaps together here. Pretty simple. Set that down. Now, the beauty of, I guess you want to do, if you wanted a 6-foot curtain, and some people like 6x6 because you can squeeze it into a tighter spot or it's not as long. Now, these ones that we have here, they're 8-foot wide, 6-foot tall. We're going to make this one 8-foot wide. I like the longer curtains myself, just to block out more. But it's all pretty much clipped together, pretty clear cut. A4 goes to A4, A3 goes to A3, A2 goes to A2. Everything's labeled, numbered. I mean, very simple. What we're gonna try and do though first, put the feet down on the ground. Try not to drop anything. Tighten it up. It did come with 2 wing nuts, so you can attach the feet there. And the wing nut holds the foot in place. Put them on the back here. I'll spin around here and show you how to connect the portion. So far everything seems to be fairly sturdy. Connection here. Like I said, for the price point on this kit, you can't go wrong. And another little section, 6. Just piece it all together. So now we got the top all together. What we're gonna do is pre-connect this one. Struggle to put it up there, but we should be okay. So like I said, 8-foot wide, 6-foot tall on our stand. Now, let's get the curtain out. We'll get that put up. So right here you can see you got a Lincoln Electric part number right on there. So if you got to replace that curtain, it's right on the curtain itself. Now these are ultrasonic welded grommets. So there's a metal grommet welded around the curtain itself, so it's folded over, welded around it. And it's got that grommet in there. Very nice. It's pretty, it seems to be very sturdy here. And it came with zip ties to zip tie it up there. I got the screen all up, zip tied on. Went up pretty nice. So like I said, this is 6x8. Got the Lincoln part number up in the left-hand corner there. So a pretty thick screen, and it's actually a pretty sturdy stand too. It's pretty impressive for the price point that this thing is and the availability. I mean, it's perfect. It'll work for it'll work as a welding screen for you guys. Now it comes with wheels, and I didn't put them on yet. But there's the part number. So we got casters for each. So it'll have 4 casters on the unit. We can wheel it around. Like I said, it comes with connectors too. So, and they just snap in there, and then you can put them all together in a long chain, or you can do a T-shape, a box, that sort of thing. But if you got any questions, comments, or anything about it, please link them down below, and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for some more.